Hi there, this is Manish Vijay from PM Pulse, and I bring to you another episode of PM Ninja video series. In this episode of Ninja Videos, I'm going to explain to you the difference between benefits management plan and business case. From PMP perspective, and even from general project management perspective, the business case, which is also called justification, and the benefits management plan, they become inputs to the very first process that is ever done in project management, and that is called develop project charter. So these two have to be created way before the project even started. Remember, the project starts the moment the project charter is signed, not before. So anything that is done before the making of the project charter, that's not part of project management for this particular project. And therefore, this creation of the business case and the benefits management plan, they have to be an input, because important information from these two documents have to be listed in the project charter. Having said that, let's move on to make you understand the difference between these two documents. And the difference is very important. They both become part of something known as business document. So the real input is business document, which is made up of two parts, which is benefits management plan and business case. Now, business case is the financial justification why we are doing this project. Even for NGOs, even for social projects, there has to be a financial justification. Please understand, financial justification is not always about getting returns. It is about how best to utilize our resources, right, for vis-a-vis the objective that we are trying to achieve. Therefore, the business case is all about financial justifications. Most of the time it is about returns, but sometimes it is also about how best to utilize our funds for this social consideration. Perfect. So business case, which is also called justification, is nothing but the financial justification. A PV, NPV, IRR, opportunity cost is not even practical, very rarely shows up on PMP exams, but it shows it's part of that. Depreciation, benefit cost analysis, or BCR ratio, benefits cost ratio, which is benefits divided by cost, ROI, returns on investments, what else? Yeah, payback period, break-even point. All of these are part of the business case, one or more. Perfect. But when you talk about the benefits management plan, we are talking about the strategic advantage or the strategic objective with which we are undertaking this project. What is the strategic benefit we are going to do when we undertake this project or program, for that matter? And these could be, hey, we will be one of the largest players in the market in this market segment, or we would have opened an office and show our presence in the Far East sector, or we would have learned how to understand how government projects are done as far as construction is concerned. So basically, what is the strategic undertone? What is the strategic reason for doing this project? So very simply said, benefits management plan is the strategic why. When you answer strategic why, that's benefits management plan. And the second is business case, which is also called justification, is an answer to the question financial why. Got it? Benefits management plan, strategic why. Business case, also called justification, financial why. I hope I've been able to clarify this doubt very clearly with all of us. Perfect. All right. So if you like what you just heard, please subscribe, do like, and do share if you have to. I would really like to thank you for watching this video. Thank you.